Hey guys, so welcome back. What's up you guys? Welcome back to today's video. I am in such a good mood today, you guys. I feel like a terrible parent, but my kids went back to school today, which puts me in a really good mood today. Not that I don't love them. You guys know the feeling though. If you were a parent, you know what summer does to you. I feel terrible for being in such a good mood, but hey, what can I say? Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial using all of the products that I used in my makeup stash, which we just posted not very long ago. It was before my Ipsy one, which will be before this because I'm filming this after. So 2 videos ago. And so that is what we're doing today. I'm going to play around with a bunch of these products, and there's some new stuff in here, some old stuff in here, and it's just going to be a good time. So there were 3 primers that I had to choose from: the JOA Glow Activator, the CATRICE Prime and Fine, and then the Selfie Ready one by JOA. I think today I really wanted to try out the CATRICE one. So I've been doing this thing where I don't put on a whole lot of primer, like I really just put it in the areas that need the most help. All right, so we're gonna let that sit for a couple of minutes. While I let that sit on my skin, we're gonna move into foundation. I did pick out 2 foundations to try out. I'm also playing around with the Naked Skin foundation, or Stay Naked. Sorry, the Stay Naked foundation by Urban Decay. That way for my August favorites, I can let you guys know what I think about that product. So still playing around with it, but for today, we'll play around with these 2, which is the NARS Radiant, Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and then the L'Oreal one. So I'm gonna combine these 2. I'm gonna use the Morphe E7 to apply it. I've really been enjoying this brush. It's like perfect for foundation or concealer. It's just a good brush to have. I'm going to move into the brows, but first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of setting powder, literally the tiniest amount, but just because you can see that my brows are really oily, so I'm just going to use a little bit of setting powder to just kind of dust away that oiliness just right in that brow area. I've done this before and I feel like it works out really well, especially if you have like oily brows like I do. I'm going to be using this brow powder right here. This here is by MELLOW Cosmetics. I mentioned to you guys, I mentioned it in my Shop My Stash, but I really do love a brow powder look right now. The past couple of days I've been doing it, really been enjoying it, so I think I want to do it again. Brows done. I'm going to go in with the 3D Brow Tones by Benefit. This is shade number 4. And then to set them, I'm going to go in with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Alright, so let's do concealer. I'm excited to use this concealer. It is the COVERGIRL TRUEBLEND Undercover. I have heard nothing but amazing things about this concealer. I've heard it's like a great dupe for the Shape Tape, I believe. I'm a little nervous because this is the shade Golden Amber, and I still feel like this is going to be really dark on me. Yeah, like it's a little too yellow. And then I'm going to go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this one is in the shade Chantilly. And I'm going to take that right over it, just a little bit, to lighten it. I like that. I just feel like I need a little bit more on this side, though, because I feel like I didn't get as much as I did on this side. But, I mean, so far it's really creamy. I do like that. Okay, now to set everything, I'm going to go in with the MILANI Translucent Powder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my sponge to apply it underneath the eyes. Today's video, I wanted to do probably a combination of the LORAC Gold, this one, and the FRIENDCATION palette together. Alright, I'm going to put some powder underneath my eyes because I don't know if this palette has any fallout. Let's start off with this shade right here, which is called Necessary. I'm going to take it on this fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply it on the outer corner right here. I'm going to go a little bit deeper, and I'm going to take this color right here, which is called Churro. And again, I'm going to follow these same areas that I put the first color. I'm just not going to go as high. I'm going to go in with a little bit of a smaller brush because I think I want it to be a little bit more slanted. So now that we're done with both eyes, I feel like this one is not the best one. This is the one that I was trying to go for, like more of a slanted line. I'm gonna put the rose gold right on the inner corner and fade it into this pinker tone shade to make sure that we get those flecks of glitter to really pop on the lid and not fall off onto the face throughout the day. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of glitter glue. The one I'm using is by Too Faced. So I'm gonna apply that one first onto the lid, and then I'll pack on the pigment on top. So that's what I was kind of going for. Like I wanted it to look like I had liner, but it was like fading out. I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of gel liner and just press it up against the outer corner of the lash line just to really fade it a little bit deeper. So I'm going to go in with the gel liner. This is the Morphe one. This is in the shade Slate. I lied. I just created a wing. So we're doing a wing today. I'm also not going to bring it in all the way. I'm just going to it's going to be a baby wing. That's what we're doing today. A baby wing. I'm going to pop on some mascara. I'm going to be using the So Fierce mascara by Revlon. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let that sit for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to pop on some lashes. So now that we have the lashes on, we're going to move into the lower lash line. I'm just going to be going in with this Pixie No. 1 Nude Eye Bright Liner. Okay, so for a lower lash line, let's actually move into the LORAC Gold palette for that. And I'm going to take those two shades on my lower lash line. I'm going to start with the darker chocolate shade. I'm going to pop that right on the lower lash line up against it, and then blend it out with Undeniable. All right, I gotta stop jamming out for a second. We're going to be taking the shade Uninhibited in the LORAC palette, and I'm going to pop that right on the inner corner. We're going to move into the face and finish off. We're going to be using the bronzer from the CHEEKLEADER palette from Benefit. This one here is called Pink Squad, and I'm just going to be taking a combination of Dallas and Hula. Let's move into a blush. Today's blush, I really want to use the Topshop blush in the shade Game Changer. I have not been able to put this blush down, you guys. I really love it. It's just like this beautiful dusty rose blush. I wanted to go in with the Maybelline Superstay ink crayons. I'm going to take two shades. Number 60, which is Accept, and number 25, which is Stay. For the center of the lip, we're going to go in with one of the BUXOM Boy Babes in the shade Jose, and I'm going to put that right in the center. Alright, so you're probably wondering why I didn't put on any highlighter. Honestly, I didn't want to put on highlighter day just because I still have a little bit of issuing. I have some issues still here right in this area and this area, so it's just best if I don't put on highlighter and accentuate those areas. That's what we're doing today. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys like these videos, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you guys are new to my channel. I appreciate you guys coming back and hanging out with me for a little bit, taking some time out of your day to spend time with me. Thank you so much for doing that, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.